Yes guys, it is our third floor and boundary wall work is continue. Masons are working for the boundary wall and approximately they will cover area with the height of 4 to 5 feet, and we remove shuttering. Shuttering removed already, and our team is working for the removal of the bricks from the downside of the wall, because it is a design for the main door. Now you can see all side is removed and it is curved type door which will be open in the roof area, and it is side window is coming there side. You can see all shuttering removed and it is top side. Outside weather's too much fog and winter very difficult to continue our work.